Okay, welcome back to our IGCSE ICT data analysis video series. So this will be task 2 of our nested if function. So I decided to make more videos on the nested if functions because they seem a little bit complicated. So so in this one here, in the task 2, we have to write a formula in cell C2. This is cell C2, okay, which will display the text home win if the home team scores more goals against the away team. So, for example, this home team has scored more goals than the home team. So, the home team won this game by 2-1. So, we need to display the text home win. So, in here, it's supposed to display the text home win. Okay, let's see. Okay, then let's click f of x, maybe a similar way. Okay, we've been using an if. So want to see if this cell A2, if the home goals or the home team has scored greater goals, so A2 is greater than, A2 is greater than B2. A2 is greater than B2. So if A2 is greater than B2, remember, in the logical test, always there should be a greater than sign, a less than sign, a equal sign, or greater or equal or not equal. So this should be logical. So it should be greater or equal, all those sign, equal sign, greater, less or equal. So any of those signs. So but there should be one of them. There should be one of them. So we write greater like this, and then greater or equal. This is greater or equal, and then this is okay. Maybe I'll do a video showing maybe those signs, okay, or maybe let me just do it on this video. Okay, so I said this is the greater sign. Okay, you write it on this greater. Okay, this is greater or equal, greater or equal, greater or equal, and then this is less than, this is less or equal, less or equal, and this is equal. Okay, we know this one. This is equal. Okay, maybe Excel won't allow me to write equal because when I type in an equal sign, it means I'm typing in a formula. Okay, this is not equal, so we write not equal like this, not equal. Okay, so these are the signs we use for Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's look at it now. Let's look at our formula here for this example. So said we'll select the if here. Okay, maybe let me bring this closer. Okay, and then said if this is greater than this, so the home goals are greater than the away goals, so we want to display the text home win. So make sure you put it inside quotes because it is text. Put it inside quotes because it is text. So we have another condition down here, the condition number 2. So if you have condition number 2, then I need to type in if, then put it inside brackets, if then brackets, just to tell Microsoft Excel that this is now another if formula. So I can click now inside this if, inside this bracket of this if. Okay, then this will not change here. This will the numbers, the text in this components here will now disappear. Okay, so and then if the text away win, display the text away win if away team scored more goals. So if now this, okay, maybe let's just start here, this one is less than this, we can also display this as B2 greater than BA2. Okay, so if this is the case, then we'll have to display away goals. But if then if the goals are equal, just like here in 1-1, so we want to display what? We want to display a draw. Want to display draw, or we can type in another if. Okay, maybe let's say draw. Okay, and click OK. Yeah, let's replicate our formula to the other cells. Okay, so if, as you can see here, the away team scored more goals, that's why it's home win, and here the home team scored less goals, that's why it's away win, and also here 2 is less than 3, that's why it's away goals, and then here it's equal, then you will display a draw. Okay, maybe to make sure that here it displays a draw, you need to go to the last if, this one, the one that has draw. So we can put another if here and say if, okay, open brackets, and put this inside the if brackets, and then we say this is now equal to this, A2 is equal to B2. Okay, and then we need to display the text what? We need to display the text draw. Okay, as you can notice, I'm not putting any codes because Excel will automatically put codes for me, so you have to put maybe those codes. Okay, value if false, you can leave it empty and click OK. So let's replicate the formula. We get the same result, but now it's a different formula altogether. Okay, so the next video we'll look at task 3.